Hello and welcome to day 78 of Bedtime Welsh, and now it's time to try and put some of those awkward little bits together and see what we can build with them. So to kick off today, can you give me who is playing? Can you remember how that fits together? Who is playing?
Pwy sydd yn chwarae?
Pwy sydd yn chwarae? Excellent. So how about who is in the garden?
Pwy sydd yn yr ardd?
Pwy sydd yn yr ardd? Excellent. If you got anywhere near those ones, then you're doing really, really well. Don't worry if you made some little mistakes. That's always meant to be happening. Okay, next up, how about to see who is in the garden? To see who's in the garden.
Gweld pwy sydd yn yr ardd.
Gweld pwy sydd yn yr ardd. Excellent. Okay, how about to want to see who is in the garden?
Isio gweld pwy sydd yn yr ardd.
Isio gweld pwy sydd yn yr ardd. And now for the last one for today, let's see if we can make it a little bit longer at the other end. How about to want to see who is in the garden now?
Isio gweld pwy sydd yn yr ardd rŵan.
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 Isio gweld pwy sydd yn yr ardd rŵan. If you're getting anywhere with any of those, you're doing fantastically well, and we'll have, what have we got for you tomorrow? Oh, some old ones to refresh your memory a little bit tomorrow, so that should be fun. We'll see you then. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!